Welcome to Chicago Van Rentals. In this video, we will demonstrate how the entertainment system in the Mercedes Sprinter van works. How to use the TV, Xbox, radio, and DVD player in our Sprinter vans. All our Sprinter vans come equipped with a TV, Xbox, radio, and DVD player. These devices are complementary with our Sprinter vans, and we do not charge customers for their use. Before you pick up the van, we ensure that the entertainment systems are working. However, please understand that these devices are not designed to function while the vehicle is moving. Factors such as road vibrations, weather conditions, or changes in settings may cause them to stop working while you are on the road. Please do not attempt to remove or repair the device yourself. Now, let's go over how to properly use and enjoy these entertainment features during your rental. 1. Powering the entertainment system. To turn the entire entertainment system on or off, use the master power switch, located on the driver's console next to their left knee. At the time of rental, your Sprinter van will be equipped with one TV remote and 2 Xbox controllers. To turn on the smart TV, press the power button on the remote. Then, point the remote towards the lower middle right section of the TV, as most manufacturers place the remote sensor in this area. If the TV doesn't turn on right away, try adjusting the remote's position and aiming at different areas along the lower part of the screen. All our vans are equipped with smart TVs, allowing you to stream your favorite content from Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, and more. However, internet access is required, and we do not provide Wi-Fi in our vans. If you'd like to use online features, you can connect the TV or Xbox to your mobile phone's hotspot or a separate Wi-Fi hotspot device. Keep in mind that additional data charges may apply depending on your mobile plan. Many cell phone plans now offer unlimited data, but we recommend checking with your mobile carrier before connecting to avoid unexpected charges. 2. Connecting the TV to the internet. Follow these steps. Turn on your phone's hotspot. On the TV, go to Settings, then Network and Wi-Fi. Select your hotspot and enter your password. After connecting the TV to your phone's hotspot, you can either screencast content from your favorite app on your phone to the TV or play directly from an app installed on the TV. Please remember, do not save any personal information such as credit card numbers or account details on the vehicle's devices. 3. Playing from the Xbox. Want to watch a movie or play a game? You can use the Xbox. However, you must bring your own games or DVDs, as we do not provide them. To start, press the power button on the front of the Xbox console. Insert your game disc into the Xbox disc slot. Use your TV remote to select the input source that corresponds to your Xbox. Use the 2 Xbox controllers to connect. Important, the Xbox controllers require batteries, so make sure to bring your own. Press play and enjoy. 4. Using the DVD player and radio. The DVD player is located on the left side of the TV. In addition to playing DVDs, it functions as a radio and features Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth connection. To connect your phone via Bluetooth, use the buttons on the DVD player's front panel to initiate pairing. Once paired, you can then stream music from your phone and listen through the van's speakers. DVD playback. Insert the disc into the player's slot. Use your TV remote to select the HDMI input corresponding to the DVD player. Radio function. The DVD player also allows you to tune into various radio stations to suit your listening preferences. Enjoy your movies, music, and radio entertainment. 5. Important reminders. To use the entertainment system, you should have a basic understanding of how to connect a TV or phone to a Wi-Fi network. The process is similar to connecting a TV to your home Wi-Fi network. For assistance, we recommend searching for instructional videos on YouTube. For instance, if you're unsure how to connect the TV to a Wi-Fi network, numerous helpful tutorials are available online. Please note that we do not provide troubleshooting over the phone while you are on the road. We strive to ensure the entertainment devices are functional when you pick up the van. However, there may be occasions when skilled technicians are unavailable or parts are on backorder, which may affect the system's performance. If you encounter problems with the entertainment system and are unable to fix them for safety reasons, we recommend turning off the master switch located on the front driver's console. This will shut off power to the inverters. Please note, we cannot offer any refunds or store credits due to a non-working entertainment system. For your security, do not store personal information, login details, or credit card information on the entertainment devices. Always log out of any accounts you sign into. Handle all equipment with care. Do not attempt to remove the TV, cabin, or devices. Any damage or missing items will be charged to the renter. We hope you enjoy your ride with Chicago Van Rentals. For any questions, call us at +1 773 800 9898. Thank you for choosing Chicago Van Rentals.